All right, let's look at the homework 4.2, problem number 5. All right, so we have f of x equals 1 over x from 1 to 6, right? So in this case, f is continuous and differentiable, so it satisfies the hypotheses of the mean value theorem. All right, so we want to find the c value guaranteed by the mean value theorem. So let's do that, right? So we take the derivative, f prime of x is going to be, so this is going to be a x to the negative 1, so it's going to be a negative 1 over x squared would be the derivative. And then, so what we have f prime of c would be just a negative 1 over c squared, right? So we want to find the difference quotient, f of 6 minus f of 1 over 6 minus 1 would be 1 over 6 minus 1 over 1, which is 1, over 6 minus 1 is 5. So this is going to be, let's say 1 over 6 minus 1. 1 is 6 over 6, so it's a negative 5 over 6 over 5. And luckily, we can cancel 5 and 5. It's going to give you 1. So it's going to be a negative 1 over 6. All right? So we want to set these guys equal to each other. So from here and there, we're going to set the negative 1 over c squared is equal to negative 1 over 6. All right, first, you multiply both sides by negative 1. So multiply both sides by negative 1. We get the 1 over c squared is equal to 1 over c. 1 over 6, sorry. And then we can take the reciprocal of both sides. So you have a c squared is equal to 6. Alright, then we can get rid of square by taking a square root. C is going to be plus or minus square root of 6. Alright, so we got that. But on this interval, it's starting from 1, so it's not going to be a negative number. So we know that we pick the positive square root of 6. All right, let's type it in. So we have positive square root of 6. All right, let's check the answer. All right, I came back and looks like we got this one correctly. All right, that's it. I hope that this was clear.